Hello guys, welcome back to Sodom Junaid's World. Today we will be doing the tutorial of the robot in a car. We will be doing the car later, not now. I will be showing you guys how to build this robot with the pieces from my collection. Let's start building! So, here's the robot that I just showed you. Broke up into pieces. All in sections. This section is the right arm, this section's left arm, this section's the left leg, this section's right leg, this section's torso, and this section's head. So, let's start building. The first thing we are going to start on building is the torso, of course, not the arm. So first, we need to get this piece. It has a hole in it like it's a ring, but it's square. Now get one of these. Put it like this. Get another one. Put it like that. Get another one. Put it over here. Get another one. Put it over here. And get the last one. Put it over here. Now these joints here, this is for the arm. These two are arms. This is head. These two are the legs. Now we get this cover. Now we get this. Go on like that. Now we have this. What's this for? Well, we turn it over. Make sure stud side's down. Now we put this piece. You see this hole right there? This piece goes in that hole. This is the self-destruct button. Yes, this comes from a movie called Musa. And this is a bot called Musa. Now we have to put this plate on. Let's see. We put it on right here. Tighten. And we have our torso. Yay! Now that we have our torso made, we need to start the head, which I just dive bombed in for no reason at all. So we get this piece, get this piece, put it here. Oopsies. Here, You see? So this stud side, it should be on the stud side, not the no stud side. Then we get this. We put it right there. We get this piece. We put it right here. Now we get this piece. We have an eye. The other eye too. He's watching you. Now we get our torso. We get this. We have our head. Yay! Now that we have our torso and our head, Nobody's mad at us. Don't be mad, it's okay. You're getting your arms and legs soon. So now we can make the arms. Yay! So we're gonna make both of the arms. We will start with the right arm. They both have something different, by the way. So we get this piece, and then we get this piece. put this piece behind like that. Then it looks like this. Because on the torso, and yeah, on the torso, it goes like this. Yes, it's not the right. I did not know. So now we get this piece. And this here, like this. Now we have that. And it's movable. Then we get these two. So then we get this piece, put it here, other side, put it here, like that. Beautiful. Now, for the claws, we get these two pieces. Correct. But that's here. Then we get these two pieces. We flip that over, then connect. So it looks like this. I'll show you. And then we get our arm. We put that here. Ta-da! We have our arm. Now let's get the torso. Put that on this. He's watching you. All right. Now you see our pile of pieces is almost done. Now, we're not done. We have this piece. We get this piece, but on top. And wait. We get this piece, but on top. This piece. You just saw it like fall, right? This piece, but on bottom. So now we have a arm. Look like this. Now we might need help from the torso. So now we need to make this arm. We have this here. We have this behind. So now we have the elbow to tap. Now we have this. Oh no, we still have pieces left. There's still pieces. Now we get these. Do this. And for the other one too, we do this. And if you want to make this with full color, unless how I'm doing, make it all green but the eyes stay red. Make it all gray, but the eyes stay red. Okay? Now we get this, put this on top, put this on bottom. Great, don't crash head first into your legs. Now we have this. Now we put this here on this arm. And where's the legs? He can't walk yet. All right. Now we have a whole torso, arms, head, torso done, right? What's this? These are legs. So first, we get this. Then we get this. We connect. Then we do this. Then we do this. Then we do this. You see what I'm doing here. Now So, I built one of the legs while you guys were gone because they're both basically the same thing other than the arms, which are not. So, this is a leg. Well, it's this way. First things first. We get this piece. Then we get this piece. Not like this though. Like this. Now we have this part of the leg completed. Now we need this piece. We put that here. We get this piece. We put this here, like that. Now it has to be a curvy piece or else it won't be able to do this. The angles look cooler when they do that. As you see, this leg can also do it. So, now that we have that, we need this again. But first, before we do that, we need this. Put it up here. Then this, put it over here. Now, we need this. Put this here. Then this can go up here. Then this over here. This over here. Now we can, the stud side should be up. Both legs look the same. Plus, now we get this down, both legs. This down. Now these two are actually repeated. You could just rewind the video all the way to the start of the leg and build the other leg. Now we have our torso. We get this leg. Put that here. Look at that. Put this leg over here. Look at that. We are done. We are done. We are done. And now, how to transform it to go back into the car. Which, yes, I will give you a build instructions too. First, we get the arms. We do this like that. Oh, what? We do that. So this, it should look like this. Then we move that down here so that he's doing this. Then this arm, we have to do this. He's mad at you. It should look like this, that he's mad. Then his head goes down. Now we turn. We turn the legs this, like this. Now we put these down. Now we have this way. We do this. We do this. We do this. Repeat. We do this. We do this. We do this. So, now that we have it transformed, this, you see this thing and this thing. This should be on that dot. So, like this. Inside you can see a bit that this lines. You see the round thing, right? The blue. The blue thing is connected with the green thing. The green is the robot, the blue is the car. So now it's time to de-transform the car. So first, we get this. We get this. Like that. Then we get the doors. We put them all in, and we get this pushed in. And yeah, we have a car. With the robot inside. If you want to know how to make this car, please leave in the comments. Thank you for watching. Until my next video.